Hey there friends, welcome back or welcome if you're new around here. It's Dheshnaa and I'm so happy to have you here. This video is a highly requested one and today I'm going to discuss 3 action plans to study from many reference books, and I'm also going to show you a glimpse of my own process. If you do not have much time left for your exams, then the first action plan is just for you. Step 1 is to put together all your study material into one big PDF. Though this might be tiresome, it's going to help you a lot in the end. The next step is organizing the information. I usually copy the text using the text recognition feature and arrange the information according to the subtopics. After you are done with step 2, you might find that there are many repeated points in the document that you created. So now you need to cross out all these repetitions to get the main important information. Step 4 is pretty easy, which is to print out a document, and here's a bonus tip. Use bullet points instead of writing in paragraphs. It just makes revision a lot more easier. Action plan 2 is something I use often and recommend it only using it if you've got lots of time, because this is a time consuming method. But again, good things take time, right? The first step is to have all your textbooks and reference books in front of you. Yes, I know your desk is going to be a mess after this, but it's going to be worth it. The next thing you have to do is to choose a subtopic and skim through that exact part from all the textbooks you have. Step 3 is again organizing. So you have to organize the material in form of notes. After you're done with step 3, you'll find something like this. When you're writing a point that's common in all the books, then I recommend analyzing which book has the point written well and write that exact definition or that point from that certain book. Action plan 3 is one of my favorites, and if you're not studied for your exams, this one is going to save you. First step is to collect past year papers and sample papers from your seniors, and also gather textbook exercises and all the homework assignments your teacher has given you. The next step is to go through these test papers and find out the questions which are important and common in all these papers. Also make a list of the important questions which you think you don't know the answer to. The last step is to answer these questions by combining the study material from all the books, so that in the end you have the ideal answers to these questions. Go through these answers every day before your exam and take mini tests now and then to make sure you remember the info. Now it's time for my method. It's actually made for revision purposes, but you can also use it while studying from many books. I like to make a short summary of a page and write it in a sticky note in bullet point form, and I stick that sticky note at the top of the page. In this way, I make notes for all the books. When I'm revising for my exams, I get to read the main points only rather than having to go through all the books. Here's an example of how it looks like. That's all for today, friends. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you turn on all the notifications so that you never miss an upload. See you next week. Bye bye.